Hi, I'm going to unbox Boya-M1 mic. This is a budget mic for blogging. So I believe it's a good quality mic. It's about the price on Amazon UK is about £20, and in the US is about $25. You can see this is Boya-M1. Let's see what's inside. Okay. It has been dispatched from Amazon warehouse. This is the manual. Okay. It's a nice bag, really. Soft and good quality. Let's keep aside. Is another type of connector. And this is a small clip and a battery included the package. Let's get the battery. I'm not sure if this battery is extra one or not, so let's try this one first. It's nice. It has 6-meter long soft cable. Yeah, there is no more battery inside, so I need to put this one in there. I think it's okay. Hi, I'm going to review now Boya-M1 mic with 4 different devices: laptop, iPhone, Samsung tablet and Samsung A71. You are now listening me with my Dell laptop without Boya-M1 mic. Distance is about 2 feet. You are now listening me with Boya-M1 mic with my Dell laptop. You are now listening me without Boya-M1 mic. I'm recording with iPhone, distance about 1.5 meter. I'm recording with iPhone with Boya-M1 mic. Distance is here. You are now listening me with Samsung tablet without Boya-M1 mic. Distance is about 1.5 meters. You are now listening me with Samsung tablet with Boya-M1 mic. Second, I'm now recording with Samsung A71 without BY-M1 mic. Distance is about 1.5 meter. You are now listening me with Samsung A71 with Boya M1 mic. Distance is here. Thank you for watching.